Treatment of eye bags and dark circles. Eye bags and dark circles can be treated effectively with the help of dermal fillers. A small prick is made with needle. Then the filler is injected in the target area, with the help of a blunt cannula, which makes the procedure pain-free and totally harmless. Total procedure takes about 10 to 15 minutes. In 99% of the cases, there is no bruising or downtime. Results are promising, and you can feel the difference instantly. As you can see, Dr. Kamran performing the procedure in under 5 minutes' time, with no bruising, and the patient is sitting comfortably, almost pain-free.